morning children. How are you all? Hope you all fine at home. Stay home, stay safe. Today's class we will have a revision part of general knowledge for grade 4. The first topic is state facts. What is the first topic? It is state facts. First question, see the first question. The state with the largest area and known for handicrafts. The answer is Rajasthan. The state with the largest area and known for handicrafts. The answer is Rajasthan. And the second one, the state with the name that means land of 5 rivers. It is Punjab. The state with the name that means land of 5 rivers is Punjab. And the third one, the state that is the largest producer of saffron in the country. The answer is Jammu and Kashmir. The state that is the largest producer of saffron in the country. The answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Fourth one, the state in the country with Sanskrit as its second official language. The answer is Uttarakhand. The state in the country with Sanskrit as its second official language. It is Uttarakhand. The next one. The next second topic is Indian maestros. Indian maestros. Here, these are all musical instruments and this is famous musicians. Okay, for example, flute. It is a musical instrument and this famous musician in flute is Pandit Hariprasad Chaurasia. Okay, flute Pandit Hariprasad Chaurasia. He is a famous musician in flute. Then Sarat Amjad Ali Khan, whose famous musician in Sarat. It is a musical instrument. Amjad Ali Khan is famous musician in Sarat. And the third one, Tabela. A famous musician in Tabela is Zakir Hussain. Okay, Tabela, Zakir Hussain. Then Sitar, Pandit Ravi Shankar. He is famous musician in Sitar. Pandit Ravi Shankar. Then Santoor. It is Pandit Shivkumar Sharma. Who is famous in Santoor? Pandit Shivkumar Sharma. And Shehnai. It is Ustad Bismillah Khan. A famous musician in Shehnai is Ustad Bismillah Khan. Okay. And the next topic is current cabinet. So these are all the personalities who have this position in the Indian government. For example, who's Prime Minister? It is Narendra Modi. The Prime Minister of India is Narendra Modi. Then Minister of Home Affairs. Minister of Home Affairs, it is Amit Shah. Minister of Home Affairs, Amit Shah. Then Minister of Defence. It is Rajnath Singh. Who is called Minister of Defence? Rajnath Singh. And the fourth one, Minister of Road Transport and Highways. It is Sanjeev Ranjan. Minister of Road Transport and Highways, Sanjeev Ranjan. And the fifth one, Minister of Science and Technology. It is Dr. Harsh Vardhan. Minister of Science and Technology, Dr. Harsh Vardhan. So this is about current cabinet. And the next topic is first females. First females. See the first one. She was the first Indian and Asian woman to swim across the English Channel in 1959. It is Aarti Saha. Who is the person? It is Aarti Saha. He is the first female. Okay, first Indian and Asian woman to swim across the English Channel in 1959. Who is that? It is Aarti Saha. And the second one, India. It is Pratibha Patel. She was the first woman to become President of India. It is Pratibha Patel. And the fourth one, she became the first Indian woman to fly an aircraft. It is Sarla Thakral. She became the first Indian woman to fly an aircraft. She is Sarla Thakral. And the fifth one, she went on to become the first Indian amputee to climb Mount Everest. Amputee means person. Okay. It is Arunima Sinha. She went on to become the first Indian person to climb Mount Everest. It is Arunima Sinha. And the sixth one, she won the Miss World Beauty pageant in 1966 to become the first Asian woman to win the title. It is Rita Faria Powell. Who's that? She won the Miss World Beauty pageant in 1966 to become the first Asian woman to win the title. It is Rita Faria Powell. Okay. And the next topic is rulers of India. See the first one. He laid the foundation of the Mauryan Empire and his name makes a reference to the moon. It is Chandragupta Maurya. He laid the foundation of the Mauryan Empire and his name makes a reference to the moon. It is Chandragupta Maurya. And the second one, he supported the expansion of Buddhism and name meant one without sorrow. Who's that? He is Ashoka. He supported the expansion of Buddhism and name meant one without sorrow. It is Ashoka. And the third one, a ruler known for his courage. He killed his enemy Muhammad Ghori even when he was blinded. He known as one who rules the earth. Who's that? He is Prithviraj Chauhan. Okay. See, a ruler known for his courage. He killed his enemy Muhammad Ghori even when he was blinded. He known as one who rules the earth. Who's that? He is Prithviraj Chauhan. Okay. The next one. He was a scholar and had many works on poetry, medicine, science and yoga. His name meant a grand feast. Who's that? He is Raja Bose. He was a scholar and had many works on poetry, medicine, science and yoga. His name meant, note it down, his name meant a grand feast. Who's that? It is Raja Bose. And the fifth one, he was the king of Mewar and was known for fighting against the Mughal Emperor Akbar. Who's that? He is Maharana Pratap. He was the king of Mewar and was known for fighting against the Mughal Emperor. The name of Mughal Emperor is Akbar. Who's that? He is Maharana Pratap. Okay. And the next topic is natural wonders of India. See, these are all natural wonders. See the first one, Lona Crater Lake. It is the world's third largest crater. Okay, Lona Crater Lake. It is the world's third largest crater. Then second one, Bora Caves. Bora Caves. These are limestone structures. They have limestone structures and they have many rocks. Okay, these limestone structures contains large number of rocks. Okay, so Bora Caves, these are limestone structures. Then balancing rock. It is 20 feet high and 5 meter wide. Balancing rock. It is 20 feet high and 5 meter wide. Then fourth one, Valley of Flowers. It is located in West Himalaya. Where it is located? It is located in West Himalaya. largest falls in India? Which one? Niagara Falls. It is Hogeneckal Falls is situated or located in India. Sometimes it is known as Niagara Falls of India. So these are all the natural wonders of India. And the next topic is continents and countries. We know that there are how many continents? There are 5 continents. Asia, Africa, North America, South America and Europe. These are all the 5 continents. For example, Asia is a continent. These countries, Singapore and Myanmar, are located in Asia continent. So this is continents and these are all countries. So in Asia continent, Singapore and Myanmar countries are located. And the second one, Africa. This is continent. Kenya and Zambia, these are all countries, are located in Africa continent. And the third one, North America. Mexico and Cuba are located. These are all countries. These countries are located in this continent, North America. And the fourth one, South America. Peru and Argentina countries are located in South America continent. And the finally fifth one, Europe. Italy and Austria countries are located in Europe continent. So this is about continents and countries. So totally how many continents are there? 5 continents. Make a note. Asia, Africa, North America, South America and Europe. And the next topic is water on earth. So like continents, oceans also 5 types. What are the 5 kinds of oceans? Arctic, Southern, Pacific, Atlantic and Indian Ocean. So there are 5 oceans. What are the 5? Arctic, Southern or Antarctic. The other name of Southern is Antarctic, Pacific, Atlantic and Indian. These are all 5 oceans. See, the smallest of all ocean is Arctic. Which one is the smallest of all ocean? It is Arctic. Then second smallest ocean is Southern or Antarctic. Okay, second smallest ocean is Southern or Antarctic. And the third one, largest ocean on earth is Pacific. Okay, largest ocean on earth is Pacific. And which one is called Sea of Atlas? It is Atlantic. Okay, Sea of Atlas is Atlantic. And the fifth one, third largest ocean is Indian. Third largest ocean is Indian. Okay, so the smallest of all oceans is Arctic. Second smallest ocean is Southern or Antarctic. Third largest ocean on the earth is Pacific. Sea of Atlas is known as Atlantic. Third largest ocean is Indian. Okay. The next topic is around the world. Around the world. Capitals of the countries. Okay, capitals of the countries. See, this is country and these are the capitals. Okay, for example, Netherlands. What is the capital of this country? Amsterdam. Amsterdam. Okay, Netherlands, Amsterdam. Thailand, Bangkok. So the capital of Thailand is Bangkok. Then Germany, it is Berlin. For Germany, it is Berlin. For Nepal, it is Kathmandu. Nepal, Kathmandu. China, Beijing. What is the capital of China? It is Beijing. Switzerland, it is Bern. The capital of Switzerland is Bern. Then Qatar. The capital of Qatar is Doha. Capital of Qatar is Doha. Then Russia. What is the capital of Russia? It is Moscow. The capital of Russia is Moscow. And finally Bangladesh. What is the capital of Bangladesh? It is Dhaka. Okay, so these are all capital of the countries. And the next topic is money matters. Okay. Here we will discuss about countries and their currencies. Which currencies are used in these countries? lira. Which currency is used in Turkey? It is Turkish lira. In Switzerland, it is Swiss francs. Switzerland, Swiss francs. In USA, that is America, it is US dollar. Which currency is used in America? It is US dollar. In China, it is yuan. It is in China, it is yuan. Then UK, United Kingdom, it is pound. What is the currency of UK? It is pound. Nigeria, it is nairas. What is the currency of Nigeria? It is nairas. And finally, Sri Lanka. What is the currency of Sri Lanka? It is Sri Lankan rupees. So this is about countries and their currencies. And the next topic is in the spotlight. Okay, in this chapter, we discussed about the famous personalities who got Nobel prizes. For example, see the first one, a German physicist who developed the theory of relativity. That is, who invented the theory of relativity? It is Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein is a German physicist who developed or invented the theory of relativity. Okay. Second one, first female Prime Minister of United Kingdom, UK. First female Prime Minister of United Kingdom, Margaret Thatcher. Okay, the first female Prime Minister of United Kingdom is Margaret Thatcher. Then third one, winner of the Nobel Prize in Economics in 1998. It is Amartya Sen. Winner of the Nobel Prize in which subject? It is economics. In the year 1998, it is Amartya Sen. And the fourth one, first Indian woman to win the title of Miss Universe. It is Susmita Sen. First Indian woman to win the title of Miss Universe is Susmita Sen. And the fifth one, US. US means United States, America. Basketball legend, also known as MJ. It is Michael Jordan. Okay, a US basketball legend, also known as MJ. Michael M. Jordan J. MJ. It is Michael Jordan. Okay, so this is about in the spotlight. And the next topic is subrogates. What is called subrogates? It is not a real name. It is a name given to someone. Is called subrogate. See, Queen Elizabeth is a real name, but maiden queen is a subrogate. It is given to the name of some person. So maiden queen, it is referred as Queen Elizabeth. Who is called maiden queen? Queen Elizabeth I. Then second one, Lady of the Lamp. It is Florence Nightingale. Who is called Lady of the Lamp? Florence Nightingale. Then flying Sikh. It is Milkha Singh. Milkha Singh is called flying Sikh. So these are all subrogates. Fourth one, Prince of Pilgrims. It is Hien San. Prince of Pilgrims. It is Hien San. And the fifth one, Father of Medicine. Who is called Father of Medicine? Hippocrates. Who is called Father of Medicine? Hippocrates. And the sixth one, Tiger of Mysore. It is Tipu Sultan. Tipu Sultan is called Tiger of Mysore. And the last one, Swar Kogila. Swar Kogila. It is, who is called Swar Kogila? Lata Mangeshkar. Lata Mangeshkar is called Swar Kogila. So, maiden queen, Lady of the Lamp, flying Sikh, Princess of Pilgrims, Father of Medicine, Tiger of Mysore, Swar Kogila are subrogates. Okay, that's all children. Up to this, we have completed in general knowledge. Learn all the question answers. Prepare well for the exam. Thank you children. We will meet in the next class.